Hi everyone, welcome. Today we have this platform called Justuno, and this is the best website marketing automation platform. Before we begin, you can simply head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now, talking about Justuno, you know how amazing it could be if you simply incorporate automation into your business or marketing platform. So it provides to create you amazing pages for your site to be able to gather something that is usually not possible on mainstream e-commerce site builders. So it have drag and drop workflow automation systems. It is going to be providing you that. You can see on the platform you have various type of conversion automation systems that you can create. If you head over to that, you will have a better idea for that. Now you can see you can exceed customers' expectation because you're going to be creating something extraordinary. So it is really amazing. You have everything being reported nicely in different sections. You have your automation conversations, or you have your automation conversions, and much more with the help of templates. You can see we have pop-ups, quiz and surveys, landing pages. You can even design landing pages and A/B testing and much more. So everything that you're going to be basically needing for website marketing automation. This is an all-in-one platform, really intuitive and nice and handy platform that is going to be versatile for all type of automations that you should be needing. So talking about its reviews, here you can see best way to empower website. Justuno is a great pop-up software for marketers. You can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So make sure to try that out.